Good morning, Ben Franklin families. This is Principal Martin reaching out on behalf of a school and a staff that is gearing up and very excited to begin a new school year. There are a few things that we can do to start the school year off smoothly. First, I would like to remind you, if you haven't already done so, please log into PowerSchool and complete the Forms tab. This is an annual process that is required of all families, and it allows us to free up your child's schedule as well as assuring accuracy in your records. We'll help our sixth graders and new students make a smooth transition with our new student orientation scheduled for Monday the 16th and Tuesday the 17th. This will consist of counselor-led sessions. It's an opportunity for questions and answers, and it's a chance for a self-guided tour or a tour from our student ambassadors. Then, on Monday, August 23rd, we will host Back to School Night. This is for all interested students and families. There is a 7th and 8th grade activities meeting. 6th graders can attend a band meeting. It's also a chance to meet your child's teachers, attend team meetings, and tour the school and walk your child's schedule. All of these things are possible as long as we follow our mitigation strategies and stay healthy, right? And in that light, I want to make you aware of the opportunity to take advantage of the student immunization clinics. And then masks. As we all should be aware by now, masks are required of student, staff, and parents for all indoor activities at Ben Franklin Middle School and Fargo Public Schools. Thank you, parents, for reinforcing the importance of careful and consistent mask use. As principal of Ben Franklin Middle School, you know that your child's safety is my first priority, our first priority. So thank you with helping us in keeping our schools open for our children and keeping our students safe. For families that in-school attendance is not an option, I included this distance learning request form reminder. Families, contact the school if you need access to this form so that you can access distance learning for your child. All right, the opening day of school is just days away, so start setting those sleep patterns. You know, early to bed, early to rise. You can tell your students Mr. Martin said so if they complain about going to bed early. And if this isn't already a practice, start wearing masks again so your kids can get used to the practice again to get them ready for an awesome school year. We are Ben Franklin. We add value. We are excited to see you soon.